telling this brother right here, his name Utieno Mafikizolo. Kodwa hayi umculo wakho hamba phambili. It's gaining significant traction on platforms like Spotify and YouTube, man, with popular tracks like Unengo. Why kungisile ukuqedela? Why ngisini? Mangithi umama kodwa ngisho ngezulu ngathi kube inkinga. It comes through with a very authentic style, growing a fan base that is absolutely rooted in its connection to the Maskandi genre, which is a form of Zulu folk music. Yenyeke yazo lesi. Alright, to go down forward. Sawubona wemafizolo.
Sawubona Mafikizolo.
Asikhulume la.
You can just speak into the mic. How's it? Are you guys good?
He's already about to sing.
Okay. He's getting ready to
He's
sing.
getting ready.
Are you having a good morning this morning? Thank you for joining us on Best Mornings.
Ngizobingelela uMafikizolo phansi lenamba ebusi. Yeah.
Nanso.
Akahambi yedwa kodwa Candace.
Let me tell you about Smirnoff Ntutuko Mpiliseni Gumere, also known as Smirnoff. I was born in 1995 at Kwatlabisa in KZN. He started making Maskandi music in 2019. He was in a group called Amala Betega. When he released his first single, he was inspired by the legends of Maskandi, and music runs deep in his roots and his family. His grandfather was a musician. His music is infused with so many African sounds. He says his Zulu culture keeps him grounded, and he joins us live in studio. A very good morning to you, Smirnoff. Thank you so much for joining us on Best Mornings.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngizothanda ukubingelela abalaleli beMetro FM. Ngibingelele umhlaba wonke jikelele uMabhinga uSmirnoff igama. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Smirnoff, uthini futhi mabethi leli thawula lami eligwela vele ithawula leblind. Owen athi leli thawula leli leblind leli.
Hayi kuzomela sihlawule ngoba kushuthi akawahlonipha amandla ethu.
Uyabona?
Akawahlonipha amandla ethu kuzomela sihlawule Owen.
There you go, Owen. You need to pay a fine. You need to hlawula.
You need to hlawula Owen because siyimele singamabhinga umhlaba wethu lo.
Nakho ke.
Uzokusicwasa uzohlawula.
There you go. You see, Owen, me I smile and I laugh, but after hours, we will you must slow.
Right. Let's talk about you guys' fabulous stage names. It's Umafikizolo and Smirnoff. I'll start with you, Umafikizolo. How did that name come about? No. Please speak your vernacular. Please.
Igama liqhamuka emakhaya njalo ibhola nje. Yeah. Kunenhlapho kufika endaweni lapha. Futhi-ke ibona ibhola so igama-ke emajiteni la ngakubikho khona ithuba mhlawumbe lokuchaza igama lami agcine engikhalile.
So he used to be a soccer guy, Candice, and during his time playing soccer, that's how the name came out.
Okay, I love that. That's a cool backstory. How about you, Smirnoff? And of course, feel comfortable and feel free to answer in Zulu. How did Smirnoff come about? And is it a reference to the booze?
To the booze?
Because it rhymes with that other liquor bottle. Yeah.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi mina igama likaSmirnoff akusikho ukuthi lavela but ngirepresenta ubaba wami okuyena umuntu owayeWuSmirnoff. So ekudluleni kwakhe emhlabeni ngicabanga ukuthi kwaba nalento yokuthi ungishiye ngisemncane ngasala ngayibiza ngegama lakhe until lize lingene kubantu. So ingakho ngikuSmirnoff namhlanje nje ngirepresenta ubaba wami ngoSmirnoff. Okuyigama lakhe lobunsizwa leyo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Asikhulume with the kind of music you guys are making. It's very rooted. Njengamadodana phuma eKZN and sikhule uMaskandi vele being a sound that is always around us. Entering the industry, finding your feet in the industry, how's the journey been for you? Since uqalile, you know, ungena kulo mkhakha nalomculo uMaskandi, kuwumculo vele nabantu abaningi abawuthandayo. Wena kuhambela kanjani njengamanje kufika leli zinga kulo njengamanje?
Kuyangithusa kuphinde kungijabulise isigaba esengikusona manje ngangicabanga mhlawumbe ngoba kusona eli kangaka so nje kuyangijabulisa kakhulu nginika nanokuthi ngikhuthale kakhulu ukubona umculo wami.
So it brings him so much joy. He honestly had no idea that this would get you so quick.
I heard him say the word Jabulani, so I thought, yeah, I reckon he means like he's really happy. And
Yeah.
It brings him so much joy. All right, Smirnoff, another one for you. Why do you think it's important? I mean, it is Heritage Day today, right? And
Yeah.
why do you think it's so important to embrace your culture authentically through music, especially?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi njengoba usuku nje lamasiko inyanga yamasiko sikwazi ukuthi siphakamise imvelaphi yethu siqhakambise imvelaphi yethu umhlaba wonke. Ngicabanga ukuthi iy'nhlanga ukuhlukana, so nathi sibone kubalulekile ukuthi singamaZulu omaskandi sirepresent umaskandi la sizokwazi ukuthi nama kuthiwa siku-Metro FM la umsakazo omkhulu sikwazi nathi ukuthi-ke si-accommodate abantu abalalela i-Metro FM ngesiZulu sethu emabhengeni.
That's all. Hanging out to my figures on the spin-off. When we come back, I'll play some of their music so you can get to know them a little bit better. You're definitely on Metro. Good morning.
It's time to loosen up your tongues and get ready to win when you say it better arrest. Sasco has made their better arrest logo.
Oh, yeah. Hi, come on.
Oh, Sakubel. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, we're going deeper, eh?
I'm my sister Darling Bomb. Darling Bomb. Hey,
we're going deeper in English.
No, but Sabi will translate it for you.
Yeah,
Feel free to ask Sabi to just translate if you don't
don't go deeper.
No, I won't. I won't go deeper, man. Of God. Don't worry.
Each on one policy and get free grocery, headstone and
I've
repatriation
actually bashed and a lot of fun. It's
That's cover to 31826. One life insurance service is a licensed life insurer and FSP. T's and C's online. Standard rates apply.
All right, Machita. We're up against a serious opponent, so we need to stick to our game plan. No cracks, no flaky. A steady game and try. Serious? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
With Vaseline for men, your skin stays strong,
Morning, the besties. Ungakhohlwa phela leyasespeni yamatamati leyana itamati leyo bajikijela ngamatamati and then bajikijela ngamatamati ikhona ispain nayo holiday ngayo.
without massive deals. Like the Luna Gibraltar Pillow Top Queen Basic, only 7,999. Save a massive 3,500 and save 2,300 on the 263-litre Hisense black glass finish water on tap bottom freezer fridge. Now just 6,199. Put our unbeatable prices to the test. Valid until 5 October. Only
We know Zulu when it comes to English. Aye. Ungathola shy izingisi nje ukuthi sesekuseni.
One of the guys. Fire. Where you going, my guy?
Akashawuthela.
With all my secrets, those secrets are safe with us. We're your guy.
Fangihlale ngisho
Can I say my name back, Jay? It's shaped like a fake cook.
Aqeda uphuka ngesiZulu.
Where you going?
Uzokhuluma uJoji.
4,000 fast and flexible ways of
Athi
couriering your
nginenzela
parcel.
kube ngathi kulule. Hey.
Internationally, whatever you need
Lul.
courier, we're your guy. The Courier Guy. Visit thecourierguy.co today. Open Sharp Play Sorter, fix the card machine, check stock, greet customers, make the bank run, and breathe. You do it all, but you don't have to do it alone. Netbank Small Business Services gives you expert support, tools, and the kind of banking that moves at your pace. You run the business, we'll handle the banking. Join SA's best bank for SMEs. Netbank Small Business Services. See money differently. Netbank. We're a licensed FSP and registered.
Spin-off was like that.
We're only ramping up now, Smirnoff.
All right, let's kick it off for this one. This is one of those tunes out of his catalog. My figures on. Top we on name. See, cause I see him out your name.
Yeah.
There's something about the word nyogo. It means mom.
Yeah, but it sounds like a curse word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's up on you. I'm like, where's your mom? Yeah? Challenge. Yeah, man, that's all, challenge. Shale. Shala.
Yeah.
Okay, so Shale singing, man. What's up?
Until, you know, you get the two. Until they hate you. Oh, yes. What is it now? Let me do it.
Let's go. Ay, ya sale. Esto va. If you're watching right now on TikTok, you'll be able to see all these vibrations. But figures on, we on now. Shout out to anyone listening right now. I know we out in South Korea.
Hi, Bestie. I'm sending a shout out from South Korea. I used to be school. Now that I've been looking into South Korea, it's hard.
Aww. Yay. Love you, darling.
See, when we say we're global. It's just the way it is. Shout out to you, man, listening out in South Korea. What time is it that side?
Yeah, I'm also trying to figure that out. What's the time difference?
Oh, it's the
5, 6?
afternoon.
Okay, it's like 2 o'clock.
It's 2:30 right now.
Ah, okay, cool.
So we're doing Drive in South Korea right now.
Woo! Dominating the airwaves.
Come on with it. I check manje siyishintshe ke sisacelebrate heritage. Sminoff. Ahlala nentombi yakazwide. Ungomani. Sajela kamnandi. You know what that means, Candice?
I have no idea.
We dating next.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
What's that, Sminoff? Yeah, I'm saying full.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I just grab my cup?
Okay. Lusha kakhulu uthando lwethu uyeda lewami lingamalangami yikho silala sibhekene shono darling kwenzeleni okuhle lusha kakhulu uthando lwethu uyeda luvutha amalangami yikho silala sibhekene shono darling kwenzeleni okuhle siyofika la befika khona nabantu babo siyohlala la behlala khona awusiyohamba la bahamba khona boma vacation dalo siyofika la befika khona nabantu babo siyohlala la behlala khona awusiyohamba la bahamba khona kuma vacation dalo saze sajola kamnandi usathandana kamnandi saphila kamnandi saze sajola kamnandi we sathandana kamnandi siphana kamnandi saze sajola kamnandi we sathandana kamnandi siphila kamnandi uzi
You know what that means, Candice?
No idea.
This is when they say Zula Stolega, because once you translate no, it just becomes very risky.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But try break it down in a nice way.
We just nicely.
Okay, all right.
That's why they say Israel Stoliwa, because once you translate it, it means something else. Shout out to the guys. Thank you very much for gracing us with your parents' presence. Usmino Funozini on this one. Satyola Gamnandi right here, best mornings in the mighty metro. Celebrating culture, celebrating heritage. That's why we invited the brothers. My figures on, if people want to follow you, find you, book you, where do we get you?
Umafikizolo utholakala Facebook, TikTok. Just search nje Umafikizolo uzovela usimple. Bese inamba yocingo for ama bookings siyawecela ku-073 210 6007.
Iphinde first. So we start my pass.
073 210 6007.
Nanso. Smino?
uSminofu uyatholakala Instagram Sminofu_SA, ku-Facebook uMphile Sminofu Gumada, ku-TikTok usmiramira_SA. Kuma-bookings ngitholakala kwi-email ethi sgingmedia.co.za.
Voice notes are coming in. Apparently, we need to get to Candace's pan.
Yes, I need a spandla, please.
Yes. Paka. So we need to ask Candace. Candace, what's the situation? Are you open to finding a Zulu man? Are you single? Are you dating? What's going on?
Child, I'm in a relationship.
Oh, you gone?
Please, I'm a gone girl.
How many patella insizwa? More Zulu brothers.
I'll say God.
Say God.
Mababuhlungu emhlathi silungu. Hey. Saying good morning, how are you? So good night.
He's saying he can't be speaking all of this English.
He says he'd like to make a move, but the problem is Jaws will be tired because he'll have to speak English all the time.
That's crazy. If he wants to, he will, because my Zulu man's been speaking English.
Now, but that mawufuna mfethu.
Athi?
Athi mawufuna usifunda isingisi.
Yeah, kushuthi kuyomela sibe nama-class lapha nithi.
Amazing stuff. Thank you very much for coming through, Machita. All the best of luck. Happy Heritage Day. Let's get into sports.
Action heats up this Saturday, the 27th of September. Orlando Pirates take on Lioli in the CAF Champions League Round 2 prelims, live from Orlando Stadium. Don't blink, don't miss any moments. Kickoff is at 3 o'clock only on SABC1 and SABC Now.
We nailed it. We nailed it. We nailed it.